Hello friends, welcome to SPN Space. Today I am here with some facts about one of the 7 wonders of the world which is located in India. Yes, it is Taj Mahal. I am going to tell 10 facts about the Taj Mahal. So let's get started. Fact number 1. How much time do you think would have been spent to construct Taj Mahal? Maybe 1 or 2 years? No. It took a total of 22 years to complete the construction of this monument. Yes, the construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1632 and was completed in 1653. Fact number 2. A popular myth around the Taj Mahal is that after the construction of the Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan cut off the hands of all the workers so that such a structure could not be built again. But this is not true. Fact number 3. In 2008, a Bangladeshi filmmaker built a replica of the Taj Mahal at a cost of rupees 407 crores 61 lakhs 61,600 so that his impoverished people in Bangladesh could enjoy the famous monument without having to travel to India. It took 5 years to make a copy with modern equipment. Fact number 4. The Mughal emperor is said to have spent about 32 million rupees to build Taj Mahal. If you calculate that sum with today's value, it would be close to 1 billion. We cannot believe it, right? But that is the truth. Fact number 5. Complications during the birth of the 14th child led to Mumtaz untimely passing at the age of 39. Shah Jahan was so stricken by the loss of his longtime companion, Mumtaz. Then he decided to memorialize Mumtaz with a spectacular tomb in the name of Taj Mahal and began the construction of it in 1632. A year after her death. Fact number 6. The architect led a team of 20,000 artisans in the construction. Not only men were present at work but animals too. About 1,000 elephants handled the transport of heavy building materials during the 2-decade construction project. Fact number 7. We know that India has a major problem with air pollution due to heavy traffic. So in order to protect the Taj Mahal from the harmful effects of pollution, there can be no cars and buses closer than 500 meters away from the entrance. Cool, right? Fact number 8. It was supposed to be built in Burhanpur where Shah Jahan's wife Mumtaz died. But when planning the construction, it wasn't possible to supply enough white marble to Burhanpur. So it was decided to build Taj Mahal in Agra where it still stands majestically. Fact number 9. What we do know though is that the name Taj Mahal is derived from Persian, the language spoken in the Mughal court. The word Taj means crown, while the word Mahal means palace. Hence, the name Taj Mahal can be accurately translated as Crown Palace or Palace of the Crown. Fact number 10. Taj Mahal is almost perfectly symmetrical. The minarets, walls, rooms and even gardens follow perfect symmetry. This looks very pretty and attractive for the visitors visiting here. And now we have come to the end of this video and hope you like this video. Do you know any of these facts before? Mention in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe to SPN Space and bye bye.